Amid heat waves and water scarcity in Bengaluru, cholera cases have surged by 40% in government and private hospitals. Private hospitals are now recording 6 to 7 cases in less than 2 weeks compared to 1 or 2 cases per month previously. Health experts attribute the increase to consumption of contaminated street food and compromised water quality in eateries due to the water shortage. Symptoms include vomiting, diarrhea and fatigue, with severe dehydration leading to potential kidney damage and death. Preventive measures suggested by experts include ensuring access to clean water, improving sanitation, administering vaccinations, and promoting good hygiene habits.
As you're all aware, there is a water shortage in Karnataka and more so in Bengaluru. So due to this, there's possibility of water contamination and cholera cases are on the rise. Definitely at this time of the year, cholera always comes up, but now the number of cases have increased. I would recommend everyone, if while drinking water, please boil it. Use a water purifier, and if not, please boil and cool the water before you drink. Avoid eating from eateries outside, especially uncooked and raw food like salads, pani puri and the chats and all. Definitely water contamination is a high concern at the moment. I would recommend everyone to be safe, boil the water before you drink it, and make sure your children don't eat out for long duration and most of the time. It's very important for us to keep safe during this troublesome period, especially till the rains are here. So I would definitely watch the people out there to be safe. Take care of yourself. Thank you very much.